The running stitch slash basting stitch. The simplest form of hand stitching is the running stitch, and variations of this stitch can be used for basting, which we learned is temporary stitching, or permanent stitching. So we're going to use 2 pieces of prepared muslin for this sample. So I have 2 pieces right here. And I'm going to back stitch to secure the start of my stitch. And remember that back stitching is also referred to as anchor stitching, and it's where we take 2 stitches through the same holes, leaving a little tail. Now we're going to push the needle in and out of the fabric, catching several evenly spaced stitches on the needle. So no stab stitching. I'm going to feed as many stitches on my needle as I can in one go. And then I am going to pull the thread smoothly through my fabric, making sure that it is not gathered. And I'm going to continue in this manner along my whole seam. And the reason we are going to put multiple stitches on our needle at once is efficiency. It's called running because you can just run with this stitch. It is very quick. And for permanent seams, you would use very small stitches, so 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. These stitches are 1/4 inches. And when we get to the end of our seam, or we only have 5 inches of thread left, we are going to do a back stitch or anchor stitch. So 2 stitches through the same hole. There you have it, the running stitch or the basting stitch, and the stitches are going to be the same length on the back side.